Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Power Sports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 Suzuki Hayabusa. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 Suzuki Hayabusa with 6,440 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with an EFI module, a Brock slip-on muffler, aftermarket plate mount, and levers. Powered by a 1340cc inline 4-cylinder engine, the Hayabusa puts 195 horsepower and 113 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.5-gallon fuel capacity, the Hayabusa has a 190 to 215-mile range. It has a 31.7-inch seat height and a 563-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Hayabusa will need a DOT-approved plate mount. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year of mileage and type. This bike has a toolkit and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
National Power Sports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and power sport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.